Pioneers, this is the machine chest press. When you're doing a chest press, we want the handles to be just under armpit level, and we want it to be about a fist's distance from where our armpit begins. First, we're gonna adjust the weight so that it's appropriate for my strength level. I can move the pin and adjust the knob for 5-pound increments. I want to make sure that I'm at that appropriate level and fist distance. So I'm going to sit in the seat and I'm going to see if it's just underneath my armpit level. That works for me. If it's not, pull the knob and move the seat. Then I can move the back of the seat so that I have that fist distance. Pull the knob, move it back and forth. Then when I sit down, I have about a fist distance, and I'm gonna press into the outside of my hand and keep my wrist straight so that it looks like this and not like this. I'm pressing this way. Keep my butt down and my head back on the mat. Inhale, exhale and press. And making sure that my elbows stay tucked. They should not be up here. I always want them below my shoulder level. Inhale, exhale and press. And that's the chest press machine.